compadre. You say people are talking about your tight pants down at the local penny arcade? Well, I find that hard to believe. Because ever since we moved to this town, everyone we know's been talking about our tight pants.
Well, that's funny, because yesterday I ran into Mayor Wembley, and he declared my pants the tightest in all the land.
We just welcomed our brand new baby boy.
And when we told the news to Governor Grimble, he proclaimed, "Hark! 'Tis the true heir to the tight pants throne."
A new baby, you say? Well, ain't that a bag of beans? Especially since you and I haven't spoken since that one magical night we shared together 9 months ago.